Yo guys, it's Warren here for CameraWorld representing. So, I'm here to do an unboxing of a new camera that we have in stock. Our director drove from here to Holland and back again just to deliver these cameras safely for you guys and for us. So, it is, drum roll please, it's the Canon 5DS-R. So, this camera is a titan of a camera, 50 megapixels. It is high. I think the 5D Mark IV is only 30 megapixels. This is the studio camera to have. This is for product photography. I mean, if you can be blowing up posters that are going to be on the side of roads, or you just fancy blowing up posters and putting them in your room, that is entirely up to you, but this is the camera to do so. So, let me first start off by saying, so this is with us now. They were hand delivered to us yesterday. We are not selling these cameras as brand new, although they are brand new. We have done shutter counts on them and they are 0. They have not been shot, but we're going to be selling them as open box, which means you guys get a fantastic price and we get the security to know that if you buy one of these as an open box, you are at the understanding that there's a possibility that someone has taken this out of the box and gone, oh, that's a nice camera, and then we've sold it to you. Okay, that is pretty much the definition of open box. You will still get your 2-year guarantee with us. That's not a problem, and you will have one of the best cameras on the market. It does not shoot 4K video, but who cares when you can shoot 50 megapixel pictures? So let's get into unboxing this camera. So, at first sight, as you can see, it is a gold box, which is great, because gold means great, apparently. Undo the flaps, and we've got the manual here, which, you know, comes with every Canon camera, and this one is in Dutch and in French, but I'm sure the English is in there somewhere among the 4,000 pages that you can read if you so choose. Under the super secret second flap, we have cardboard, which we don't really care about. Inside here you have your 5DS-R strap that lets people know that you have the amazing 50 megapixel camera. Then we have the standard UK charger, and the charger is still in its sealed packet. It still has that little bit of plastic on there that comes out of the factory. That's how new these are, but you guys are still getting them at a fantastic price. You get your connector that allows you to connect it to your computer, and it looks like you also get, I don't know how to describe this, I'm not very computer literate, but normally when you plug something into, let's say, a monitor into your tower, you get that little blue bit at the back that you screw these into, and you get some connectivity. So I reckon you could probably plug this into your camera, this camera, plug this into a monitor, and you can get direct feed from camera to monitor. So if you're shooting studio base, this is going to be fantastic. You're going to get to see everything as the camera sees it. You have the eyepiece, which is in here, which will be useful to put on. Everybody loses these. Why do you lose these? Do not lose them. If you do, you can come in and buy another one, that's not a problem. You have the Canon LPE 6N battery, which is still sealed. New camera, great price. And then we have the camera itself, which I'm struggling to get out. Here we go. Here we go. This is the bubble wrapping. So, the Canon 5DS-R. It's brand spanking new. There's not even any fingerprints on the back of that screen. How great is that? It is just, it feels like a 5D Mark IV, probably because it is a 5D Mark IV, but just with different internals. I mean, just look how cool the writing is on the 5DS-R. That just screams cool. People are going to know that you have a 50 megapixel camera when you're walking around the town. What's that, 30 megapixels? 50! And you know, you're going to be able to crop, if you crop, a lot better than anyone else. But, just to prove a point, this is the sealed LPE6. Here's one I made earlier, just because I want to see this camera on. I want to show you guys what it looks like when it boots up.
because I too would like to see what it looks like when it boots up. So let me flip this around. I'm gonna get a view too. So, hey, there we go. As you can see, it is asking me for the date and time because these cameras are new. I could sit here, set it up and show you all the menu settings, but if you've ever used a Canon before, it is the same. It is just a Canon 5D range, just megapixel stimulated. So that is pretty much it. As I said, open boxed, sorry, is what this is. So you can get a fantastic price. I don't know how many times I can say it's going to be a fantastic price. And you know, if I didn't do video, this would be the camera I'd get, because I can only imagine the quality you're going to get from some of these pictures. So hopefully the powers that be, the people that sit above me, are going to let me do a full review on one of these, including shooting it, editing it, possibly getting it printed, so you guys, you know, I can display it here and you guys can get to see. It might look pretty cool. But so let me just bring everything back over. That is the Canon 5D-SR. That's the battery from before. So this camera is going to be at our CameraWorld live event on the 26th of October, pretty much Liverpool Street. You come out Liverpool Street Station, you turn left, walk about 100 feet, there we are. And there's going to be photo talks, there's going to be seminars, there's going to be photo walks. There is a wild arena, which I can only assume is going to have some form of wild animals in. It's either that or wrestling, I'm not sure. There is going to be Nikon are going to be doing a demonstration using Kung Fu. We've got a picture here somewhere where some guy's got some blades and he's probably going to be swinging those around, and you guys can try and capture some pictures and not lose your nose. So that is CameraWorld Live. This is the 5D-SR. I'm Warren. Good night. See you guys soon. Bye bye.